Skeng. Yeah, man. Killa on it up. Yeah. Go Riddim. Let's go. We're not getting injured. Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Chargie Records. Solitary music. That Naga. I don't Naga that. No. What him name? What him name? What did G name again? Fuck. Let me see my let me see my 3 mile already. What him name, man? Comment section, help me. What did G name again? Play Batty Yo, one thing with Jamaican, you know, Jamaican can talk in a code for your whole conversation, you know. If you're not Jamaican, certain things you're not gonna understand, you know. Man just say yo bagare, and we all know what the man mean without even saying anything. Yes. Yeah, the G name Natty. Natty name. Natty. Pick up yourself.
Big up every killer funny up. Live with Kuril and dark with a temper of a short man born with a chippy side. Slowly approaching me dark fully. I'm scheming my screechy past and boom out tight. Yo, Chargie.
He's on this Grammy one from Skeng. He's a Grammy one. Even listen my pre right now.
Slowly approaching me dark fully. I'm scheming my screechy past and boom out tight. Yo, Chargie record them no one with a walk. Shoes that kick it off from a top. Shot me in the 15 lick out there. And squash out the brain and chip out the tat.
Squash out the brain and chip out the art. Yo. When Skeng go Grammy, you bro. Skeng Grammy, you that. Now tell her that.
Shoes that kick it off from a top. Shot me in the 15 lick out there. And squash out the brain and chip out the tat. Any pussy this man flick on a switch and bust out the fight. And no one know all the lip chat spit like a betrayer, big man timing.
Fire in the shot.
No some segment, call him in a hit, don't stop all the talking. Check one chip from money. Wanna feed them worried. Any pussy this man flick on a switch and bust out the fight. And no one know all the lip chat spit like a betrayer, big man timing.
Ratty run and run. Bumbuckler, them all one.
Check one chip from money. Murder them, put the fun of it, and have a trouble me. I gonna live, hit the split up and I bust up in this.
Man say murder them for the fun and you not for trouble me. just feel bored. Me just feel bored, but me just murder somebody feel fun. Yeah, we don't have to trouble me for me just murder one on the dog. I just, yeah, me just get up and just feel fun. Like bored and just want to have some fun, brother. Me just kill one on. Kill one on. Tell them.
Murder them, put the fun of it, and have a trouble me. I gonna live, hit the split up and I bust up in this. Had the flick up on a twitch, see the something name switch. On the back of the matic, lick him up in a rapid.
And the see the something name switch on the back of the matic. A problem, a switch. Erase out everything, man. Riddim nice. Sure. That's the woman man can save you.
Chargie record them no one for walk. Shoes that kick it off from a top. Shot me in the 15 lick out there. And squash out the brain and chip out the tat. With any pussy this man flick on a switch and bust out the fight. And no one know all the lip chat spit like a betrayer, big man timing. all the talking. Check one chip from morning. Man, I feed them worried.
Grimy. And them sick mentality blood clot. Yeah. Like I said, that's a next Grammy one from Skeng. Big up yourself, Skeng. Ratty Gang General. Ratty Gang people that want to dead jump out in the comment section and make me know what to think about that one. Yeah. This is crazy though. The Riddim also. The Riddim. Yeah. Riddim sick. Yeah. Skeng, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Skeng. That's all I can say. Big up yourself. Ratty Gang General. Big up yourself. I need to kill up myself upon a reaction, isn't it? Yeah, it is what it is, bro. Like, asking, you know? Yeah. Let me know what to say about that in the comment section, though. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.